In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide hidden contact shortcut on Facebook Messenger. 5 minutes. If a contact seems to have disappeared from your Messenger shortcuts, there's a good chance the conversation was archived. Archiving hides the thread from your main inbox without deleting it. The fix is simply to unarchive it, and I'll walk you through that on Facebook's desktop site so it's clear and easy. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're signed into the account where the conversation lives. Using the desktop site keeps all the options in one place and matches what you'll see on screen during this tutorial. Next, look at the top right of the page for the messenger icon. Click it to open the message panel. This panel shows recent conversations and it also gives you quick access to additional message tools. Now in that messenger panel, find the three-dot icon. It may be labeled more options depending on your interface. Click it to reveal extra message controls. If your panel looks condensed, expand it or open the drop down so you can see all the available tools. From the options that appear, click Archive Chats. This opens a dedicated list of conversations that were hidden from your main inbox. Think of it as a storage area for threads you didn't want to see every day but didn't want to delete. If you have many archived threads, you can scroll to locate the one you're restoring, select the contact you want to bring back. Clicking the contact will open that archived conversation. Once you're inside the chat, look again for the three-dot menu within the conversation header. This menu usually sits near the contact's name or at the top bar of the chat window. Click that three-dot menu and then choose Unarchive Chat. The moment you do, the conversation moves back to your main inbox and the contact will reappear in your messenger list, effectively restoring the shortcut. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't immediately see the contact return, refresh the page to update your messenger view. Sending a message in the restored thread can also bump it to the top of your inbox. Remember, unarchiving doesn't change your message history, and it's different from deleting or ignoring. Your messages stay intact, and the thread becomes visible again like any other active conversation. That's all there is to it. You've successfully unhidden the contact by unarchiving the chat, bringing the shortcut back to where you expect it. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.